Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are tackling a topic that many parents and students may be considering. Is boarding school the right choice? We will be diving deep into the pros and cons of boarding school and providing some helpful tips on how to make this important decision. Let's start by discussing some of the compelling reasons why boarding school may be the right choice for some students. One of the biggest advantages is the immersive academic environment where students are surrounded by classmates who are equally motivated and driven to succeed. Boarding schools often offer a wide range of extracurricular activities, allowing students to explore their passion and interest outside of the classroom. Additionally, living on campus can foster independence and self-reliance, preparing students for the challenges of adulthood. On the flip side, there are some drawbacks to consider when it comes to boarding school. One of the main concerns is the potential from homesickness and feeling of isolation from family and friends. Boarding schools can also come with a hefty price tag, making them inaccessible for some families. Additionally, some students may struggle with the lack of privacy and constant supervision that comes with living on campus. If you are considering boarding school as an option, there are few key steps you can take to move an informed decision. First, research different schools and visit their campuses to get a feel for the environment and culture. Talk to current students and parents to get first-hand perspective on the pros and cons of each school. Consider your own personal preferences and goals and how they align with what each school has to offer. In conclusion, the decision of whether boarding school is the right choice ultimately depends on the individual student and their unique circumstances. By weighing the pros and cons, doing thorough research, and considering personal preferences, student and parent can make an informed decision that will set them up for success in the future. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.